Is your Kia Soul refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, leaving you stuck with the factory radio interface? Statistically, the vast majority of these connectivity headaches are caused by simple cable degradation or minor software glitches. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your phone talking to your soul again. Start by swapping your cable for an original Apple certified one, then try resetting the head unit using the small pinhole button. Check your iPhone settings to ensure Siri is enabled and that no screen time restrictions are blocking the connection. If software settings look correct, inspect your phone's charging port for pocket lint, which often prevents a solid data connection. Most fixes are simple DIY tasks, but if the port itself feels loose or doesn't charge, it might be a hardware failure. As you can see, cables remain the leading cause of issues by a wide margin. If you are technically inclined, visit the official Kia website to download and install the latest firmware update for your head unit. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues while on the road. Remember, the simplest fix is usually the right one, so start with the cable before you panic. Thanks for watching and drive safe with your fully reconnected Kia Soul.